Today's pilot mock trial is hopefully the first of many such training exercises. This is the result of our excellent partnership with Canada toward the promotion and universalization and effective legislative implementation of the International Convention on the Suppression of Acts of Nuclear Terrorism, or ICSANT.
This is an instrument that we have been working on very diligently for a number of decades to strengthen the nuclear security architecture and indeed to criminalize terrorism with use of nuclear or radiological materials in order to make our world a safer place.
And we're also developing the capacity of national justice system professionals to address crimes that fall under ICSANT. With the separate and complementary financial support of Canada and the European Union to promote this convention, hopefully it will lead to stronger implementation of this instrument against nuclear terrorism.
The mock trial has a very realistic scenario, and that makes it quite interesting. In addition, you get a chance to discuss legal issues with colleagues from all over the world. Very interesting and a very good learning experience.
It's a pleasure to be here at the mock trial in Vienna with this pilot project. This has been 3 or 4 years in the making from the Department of Justice Canada along with other international experts. Participation level has been tremendous, and we hope to see this pilot project being reproduced in the future.
The Convention for the Suppression of Acts of Nuclear Terrorism, as well as the amendment to the CPP&M, were, I think, tremendous achievements by the international community to combat the threat of nuclear terrorism. But as with any recently developed legal instruments, one really only knows the strengths and the limitations of them through exercises and coordination and consultation with our colleagues. And as a result, I think the conference and workshop this week, whereby we had a mock trial, was critically important to help all of us as practitioners, whether we're prosecutors like myself or law enforcement agents or forensic experts, to understand how the criminal provisions and other provisions of ICSANT operate in practice. So I was very pleased to be able to participate.
I'm a federal prosecutor in Argentina. I'm grateful to be here. It's very important to know the type of expertise required to investigate and prosecute this kind of crimes involving nuclear and other radioactive material.
I'm a senior prosecutor dealing with terrorism cases, so I'm extremely proud to be part of this project from the very beginning. It shows us as practitioners how important it is to be familiar with the ICSANT. It is important for you, if you are dealing with cases like this, that you at least understand the basic principles from the other systems as well.
We know not all countries have nuclear facilities. All will have radiological sources. We've now ensured that those who can enforce the criminalization provisions of ICSANT have the tools and the knowledge to do so.